Hello everyone, I'm Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor.
When it comes to the restroom terms, you tend to speak indirect way at some point. Would Koreans do the same thing when speaking?
Okay, I'm ready. Let's use some hoops. Uh-oh, could you give me just a sec? What's going on? You know, restroom emergency situation. Oh wait, I'll take it back. It's not for just a sec.
Again? Just be honest with me. Is that number 1 or number 2? I think it's number 2. Oh gosh, I gotta go. Sorry! And he's never coming back. Going number 1 or number 2 is the way you indirectly talk about going to restroom in some cases. Korean also has these expressions, which say 큰 거, 작은 거. They literally mean big, small. Big is number 2 and small is number 1. You may get why they're like that.
Listen carefully and repeat this expression together.
작은 거, 작은 거, 작은 거. 큰 거, 큰 거, 큰 거.
Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples.
My boyfriend takes forever once he goes to bathroom. 큰 거일지도 모르잖아. 매번 그렇다고? 글쎄다. I gotta hit the bathroom real quick. Oh, we don't have enough time for the bus. 걱정하지 마. 작은 거야. 시간 얼마 안 걸릴 거야.
Don't forget to practice
작은 거, 큰 거.
in your daily life, and I hope to see you again soon. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Miss Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!